Hi everyone, welcome back to Science Sphere. I'm really happy to have you here again. If you've already watched the first video, thank you. If you're new, don't worry, this is the perfect place to start learning organic chemistry step by step. Don't forget to subscribe us and share this video with your friend. Today, we're going to begin learning about organic chemistry. But first, what is it? Organic chemistry is the study of all chemical compounds that contain carbon. Carbon is special because it can join with many other atoms and create a huge variety of molecules. Organic compounds are used in so many things, like fuels, medicines, plastics, food, and even in our own bodies. So learning organic chemistry helps us understand a big part of the world around us. There are two main types of organic compounds. The first one is called aliphatic compounds. In aliphatic compounds, carbon atoms are arranged in straight or branched chains. Look at this picture, you'll see only straight lines, not circles or curved shapes. So always remember, aliphatic compounds have chain-like structures, no rings. The second type is aromatic compounds. These compounds contain benzene rings or similar circular structures with alternating double bonds. In this picture, you can clearly see a hexagon shape, and some of the bonds are double. So always remember, aromatic compounds have hexagon-shaped bonds, and we often call them benzene-type structures.
Now you can see, I've added a few examples for both types of compounds. This slide shows examples of aliphatic compounds, along with their structures. I've included alkanes, alkenes, alkynes, alkyl halides, Grignard reagents, and alcohols. If you look closely, you'll notice that all of them have straight or branched bonds, no ring shapes. That's a key feature of aliphatic compounds. Now you can see, I've added a few examples of aromatic compounds. This slide shows compounds like benzene, phenol, and aniline, along with their structures. You'll notice that all of them have a hexagon-shaped ring with alternating double bonds. This ring is called a benzene ring, and it's the key feature of aromatic compounds. In this video, I introduced you to some basic examples of aliphatic and aromatic compounds. But this is just the beginning. In the upcoming videos, I'll go deeper into each compound, explaining their structures and reactions clearly. So keep watching, stay curious, and stay connected with Science Sphere. Thanks for watching.